Metromod is a recognized industrial fabrication and welding company operating in Malaysia, known for its specialization in inner sheet welding and structural steel works. Metromod has gained prominence in Malaysia for its consistent use of high-quality welding procedures, especially TIG welding, in the fabrication of inner sheets, which are used in applications like chemical tanks, thermal insulation layers, heat exchangers, and refinery shells. In Malaysia, Metromod is one of the companies at the forefront of delivering custom metal fabrication services that adhere to international welding standards. Metromod applies the same TIG welding principles used in large-scale power, refinery, and pipeline projects around the world. Within Malaysia, Metromod serves key industrial sectors including oil and gas, petrochemicals, manufacturing, and maritime, where inner sheets are essential components. The materials used by Metromod often include stainless steel, aluminum, and high-performance alloys, all of which require precise and contamination-free welds, making TIG welding the preferred method. Metromod welders in Malaysia are specially trained to handle thin-gauge metals and intricate joint geometries often found in inner sheet applications. Whether used for heat distribution, corrosion protection, or structural reinforcement, TIG welding by Metromod ensures each sheet performs optimally. Metromod uses advanced TIG welding machines with digital current control and high-frequency arc starting systems to prevent contamination and ensure consistency. This is vital in Malaysia's humid climate, where environmental conditions can affect weld quality. The controlled arc of TIG welding, as used by Metromod, allows for minimal distortion, which is especially important when welding large surface area inner sheets. Metromod technicians also implement purge welding techniques when working with stainless steel sheets to prevent oxidation inside the weld zone. This internal cleanliness is a hallmark of Metromod's process in Malaysia. To meet customer requirements, Metromod follows strict welding procedure specifications, WPS, that comply with ASME and ISO welding standards. Each TIG weld at Metromod is performed under controlled parameters